is another example sa part 2 sa exam. What if the given equation is like this? The quantity of b plus 3 to the power of 2 equals 4. So in this case, obviously, quadratic equation is yeah, but at least yung simplify, una pa lang kay daw ka o, makakuha na ka sa plus term ng standard form later, okay? So to simplify this kind of equation, we can apply the form method. Para siyang gi-discuss and gihatagan naman ako og shortcut na method ani since ang coefficient sa variable ani nga given nga binomial is positive 1 man sa kami pag shortcut. But ang ako itulaan is ang step by step na form. Okay? Para mas makaro sa kanya. So, kung ato na siyang i-write in expanded form, this will become the quantity of b plus 3 times the quantity of b plus 3. Diyan kaugalingan kay power of 2 man sa kaliwa ang ibang base. Mo say base b plus 3. Then equals 4. So, following the for method, f means first terms. The first terms are b and b. Multiply mo, same variable na b and b. So, copy the variable b, then add exponent using 1 plus 1, 2. So b squared is 1. Next, outer terms. O means outer terms. Nasa lower so we have b and here positive 3. So since mag-simplify mo pa sa terms, identify yung isang sign ng suwat by multiplying the outer terms. Sa sign sa outer terms, we have positive times positive is positive. Next, numbers, times nyo, imaginary 1 times 3 is 3. Then variable, tanawag na by variable ang duha, na ano na isa ka, pag-given ay variable. So, imo siyang swap. Then isa, wala mo, just copy, dili mo yung si B. Next, I, inner terms. Inner terms na to, positive 3 and b again here. So, mag-simplify the terms, multiply again the sign, go back to step 1, multiply always ang signs here, positive times positive, positive. Next, numbers, we have 3 times imaginary 1 is 3. Oh, next, variable, we have b and so wala variable. Just copy B. Next, last next, i-multiply are the last term. So the last terms are we have positive 3 and positive 3. Magmusumpay na terms, so multiply first the signs. Yapon positive times positive is positive. Next, wala, the numbers, 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 3, 9. And ang step 3 ngayon multiply are the variables. But since wala na siya variables, then numbers na ang nadia. Next, copy. Following the equation equals 4. Next, ato siyang i-arrange base sa standard form na again, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Muna imuhang guide sa ang pag-arrange, rearrange sa terms na imuhang na-simplify gikan sa given quadratic equation nga labi ng mga equation na may parentheses. So, first, maguna ang quadratic term ng may power of 2 c b squared. Sakto na. So, just copy. Next, ang linear term. Ang variable nga na power of imaginary 1. So, naiduha nga nagsunod plus 3b plus 3b. So, kopya po na appeal silang duha plus 3b plus 3b. Last, ang term nga walay letter, we have positive 9. Copy. Then, ata isa, si 4 nga nasa right side. And then again, akong ganyan ganina, tanang terms sa quadratic equation dapat nasa left side. Y mabilin dapat sa right side. So, si 4 dapat na itong i-transfer sa PCAS sa left side, transpose. So, from positive, mahimo ng negative, then 4. And then, equate into 0. Ano yung nabilin sa right side? The next, mag-combine pa. Si b squared, the quadratic term is only one term. Yara isa, so pwede na siya. So, what is your final first term? B squared. Next, duha ka linear terms. Muna siya. So, ito na siya i-combine, applying the rule of combining positive negative integers. So, for both are positive, so just write the positive sign. Then, since both positive man, the same sign, then add the numbers. We have 3 and 3 with add. That is 6. Then, copy the variable b. Again, dili i-add ang exponent. Kaya wala taga-multiply sa variable. Igo ra ka nag-combine sa similar terms. Next, constant terms. Duha plus 9 minus 4. So, apply on the rules of combining positive and negative integers. So, since they have different sign, positive and negative, then subtract. And check the value, the larger value, once yung sign. The larger value between 9 and 4 is 9. Check the sign. That is positive. So, positive yung suntay dire. Mo imuhang sundo ng imong gamiton. Then, subtract 9 minus 4. That is 5 equals 0. So, muna to ang standard form. So, therefore, this given equation is obviously quadratic gihapon. Then, the standard form is this one. We have e squared plus 6b plus 5 equals 0. Identify the values of a, b, and c. A is positive 1, B is positive 6, and C is positive 5.